Oh, what a nice day it is today. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. This is a fantastic day. Oh, that beat my guard's whistle. I have to get going. Come along, come along. Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. And thank you all for this many subscribers on this channel. But Train Lover is asking for everybody to get the channel up to 600 subscribers. And the Sodor Fallout fan art contest will be ending on August 10th. Whoops, so I have to get going. More videos like this will be coming in the future, including more episodes of the Urtal Wooden Railway videos, including more remakes. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.